你好, welcome to this Chinese language learning video. Today we're going to talk about one of the most commonly used words in Chinese, 买, which means to buy. Using 买 may seem straightforward, but there are some nuances to its usage that can be tricky for Chinese learners. In this video, I'll show you how to use 买 correctly and avoid some common mistakes. Let's start with the basics. 买 is a verb that is used to express the action of buying something. For example, to say I'm going to buy some apples, you would say 我要买一些苹果。But what if you want to buy something for someone else? In that case, you can't just use 买. Instead, you need to use the word 给, which means to give or to buy for. For example, to say I'm going to buy a gift for my friend, you would say 我要给朋友买个礼物。Let's try another example. If you just want to buy coffee for yourself, you can simply say 我要买咖啡。But let's say if you want to buy coffee for a friend, in that case, you can say 我给朋友买咖啡, which means I'm buying coffee for my friend. See, it's not that hard once you get the hang of it. Just remember to use 给 when you are buying something for someone else, and it will be good to go. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video.